Hello there and welcome to this video. Today we will be using Convai as well as Quixel Bridge in order to make AI characters in our game. We will first start by installing both plugins to our Unreal Engine versions. Here I have already installed them so it doesn't show me a version, but you can pick your own version. Next, you open up your game and you go to your plugin section, plug in Convai as well as Quixel Bridge, and it will ask you to restart your Unreal Engine. After you've done that, you can go ahead to your content browser and click on Add Quixel Content. Then you will navigate the Metahuman preset section and download and then add and import to your game whichever metahuman you would like. Then you can go onto your content browser and navigate that metahuman folder as well as the specific metahuman that you chose. After that, please drag your blueprint of that character into your level. Next, we will start by making our Convai character. You can go to their website online and make your character name and keep note of your character ID and your API key as we'll use them later. Next, please open your metahuman blueprint and change the actor class as well as the body component to the Convai body animation and the face as well, and compile and save, and then we will return to our level to add our character ID that we got from Convai, as well as go to the plugin section and enter your API key. And then we can test our game and we can see that the character that we put in actually responds and engages with the player. This is the storyline that I chose for my character, but you can edit it and make it your own. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.